5th. It's the Poo Guru again. I'm out here in the garden. It's starting to rain. It's June 2nd, 3rd, somewhere around there. I'm starting to put up a temporary fence around the garden here, which is doing well at the moment, but we do have deer out here, and I'm going to try to keep them out as much as possible. So I'm going to put up a snow fence. So a while back, I built this gadget, just a couple old saw blades that I had, and welded them to a piece of rebar, and it took me all of about 20 seconds to dig that hole. So I'm going to move the camera, reset, and dig another hole for you. I've got this flag marked right here. This is going to be another post for the garden bed here. So before it rains too much, let me try this out real quick and show you how it does. There you have it. A little bit of dirt back in the hole. Well, there you have it, 5th. That's an 18-volt Ryobi power battery operated drill. Pretty much a full charge on the battery. I had it on the 1 setting for the torque factor, not the speed. The dirt's not real compact. It is moist. If you're going to do a lot of these, highly recommend a powerful corded drill. That way, in case you run into any rocks or anything like that, it'll just go ahead and grind on around them or through them or over them or something. But as you can see, it did a relatively good job. I think I need a finer point on this thing or something. Oh well, it was my prototype. That's 2 fence posts. I'll give you a quick looky-loo at the progress of the garden. Try to keep this thing as stable as possible. That's my corn and black-eyed peas. I got a pumpkin over there. Got some watermelon, some squash and zucchini. Oops, get hung up over there. Got some nasturtiums, got some marigolds, got some basil, got cucumbers. You can see all the stuff on the trellis I've got set up right now. Try to keep them silly mockingbirds away. Yeah, there's a close-up on one of my marigolds there. Pumpkin, that big old thing. Got some okra right there. Another nasturtium flower. Helps keep pests away and such. I think it's sort of sacrificial to a point. Got some tomatoes right there. And got a couple carrots right here and a little bit of basil right there. So, well, I hope this rain holds off. I'm going to try to finish this fence. Well, if anybody wants to try this out, I don't recommend it because I don't recommend building your own tools. But at the same token, if you do this, be smart about it. Don't be an idiot. Do your research. Find out all of the information. Watch videos. Check out all the folders on my YouTube channel. Just be smart about it. Otherwise, you'll end up with a finger like this. Poo Guru out.